If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These are game rules I can't lose. When it's all said and done, will I still be cool?
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a super fun time for me, for all of us. This is something different that I have not done before. We are gonna go indoor skydiving. So yeah, this is something pretty cool. I saw this place like a few weeks ago and I was like, ooh, that sounds like that'd be fun. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. And maybe it's something you guys will want to try someday. Who knows? So we're gonna check it out. I think it's gonna be super fun. So come along, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you get a notification every time one of my videos drop. Comment down below and I will be sure to get back to you. Okay guys, so we are up here. We have to go through like a mini training before the stairs taking me out. Hold on. Whew. So it's like a training to kind of, I guess, guide us through how the process goes. The lady at check-in was really nice. So we had basically had to sign a waiver on that kiosk. And then she gave us our options. So we're gonna do 2 flights, the second one going up significantly higher than the first one. So I think that's gonna be pretty cool. I'm excited and nervous all at the same time. Feel butterflies in my stomach, but I think it's gonna be tons of fun. So yeah, they're gonna, I guess, give us a little mini training before we get started. So hopefully y'all can see that. Okay, y'all, do I look like I've been through some things? Look! You guys, look. I'm certified. I'm official. That was tough. It was rough and tough. Look, rough and tough. So yeah, I had a great time, y'all. It was a learning experience. For some reason, like, I couldn't get past the breathing part for a while. I felt like it was just taking my breath away because the wind is so powerful inside of that chamber. But I feel like I conquered it for the most part, and I got over my fears of the breathing, and I did it. I'm glad I tried it twice, and that's something that I can say I've done. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, we're leaving there, headed to Michael's because I want to get a scrapbook, y'all. I want to get a scrapbook. This is my aunt's scrapbooks, and hers are so cool. And so I want to start a scrapbook. So I'm just gonna go to Michael's, get that, maybe a couple accessories to go with it, or whatever you call the scrapbook and little things that goes along with that. So that was cool. Comment down below if this is something that you want to try. If y'all want to try IFLY or indoor skydiving, comment down below. If you've already tried it, let me know, how did it work for you? How was the breathing? How was the air pressure, the wind pressure? I want to know. Okay, here we go. Thank you.
Oh, what are you doing? YouTube?
Yes, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, what is your name?
My name is Ariel Ash.
Ariel Ash? Okay,
Yeah.
I'll look you up.
Yes, Ariel, A-R-I-E-L-L. So you guys, I haven't figured out quite which scrapbook I want to get as far as the whole book, but I'm looking at the paper. So the paper that serves as like the background on your pages, and they have some really unique ones. So look, colors, and then they have like the metallic ones. So that's cool. And then they have wood, marble, and brass. Ooh, these are really different. Comfort from within. Nurture, peace, love. These are really nice. Be calm. Once you need less, you will have more. That's nice. This is really nice. So I'm considering possibly getting this one. But they have so many options, you guys. Like, look at all the different array that they have. It's so many to choose from. So I'm gonna go over here and try to pick out the actual book. The size that I want is gonna be important. So they have smaller scrapbooks. You can do smaller ones. Red. This champagne one is really nice. Smaller, much smaller. And then they have these really big ones, like these really big ones. So I'm really thinking more towards going for a bigger one, but I'm not quite sure all the way. So, ooh, they have some, I guess, for people who travel. Okay, you guys, I think I've narrowed it down to the one I want to go with. This one is really nice. It's like a chocolate brown leather, and so I think it will go well to put in a home. So even if I ever change my decor, I feel like brown leather, you could just never really go wrong with that, and it can like sit down as like a conversation piece in a sense. So this is the 12 by 12, which is the largest of albums you can get. It says time spent with family is worth every second. So that's really nice. Only thing is it was already opened, and it's kind of like a little irregular, and it was already open. So I'm gonna see if they can order us another one, or at least tell us where we can get it. So now I'll need paper for the inserts. As far as the paper goes, I think I definitely want to go with this one. It kind of matches the colors, and of course we can always switch it up and over time get new paper, but I like that it has, you know, the earth tones in it, the bronzes, the golds, and it has these cute little sayings. So I love that. I think I'm gonna go with this paper to at least get started. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if they can order us another one. Life is a journey, enjoy the path. I kind of like that it says life is a journey, enjoy the path, because this is going to be sort of like a journey. So just the journey throughout the years of experiences. So I kind of like that too. Ooh, so many choices. Ah. So this Michael's is a lot bigger, you guys. It has more to choose from. I'm even looking at the choices of scrapbooks, and it's a different choice selection. So just like this one, this is another 12 by 12 that says choose happy. Is that not nice? And it's like a white leather. Choose happy. That's really cool. But they do have some new ones of the one that I wanted. The family is worth every second. So I'm gonna stick with what I wanted to come from for. And go with this. So yeah. Oh, thank you. I had saw that scrapbook at another location, and then they sent me over here because it was kind of irregular. Thank you so much. You have a good one. That was great, quick and easy. They had exactly what I needed plus more. So yeah, it's always great to have those type of pleasant experiences, and when you go somewhere they have exactly what you need, you know? So that's cool. I'm gonna go eat. Thank y'all for hanging out with me today. See you later.